Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of baking with a product that's sure to add a spooky twist to your kitchen creations. Introducing the best Skull Muffin Pan on the market, the JETKONG Skull Cake Pan Silicone Skull Cakelet Mold Skull Pirate Cake Tin Baking Pan. If you're someone who loves to get creative in the kitchen, especially during spooky seasons like Halloween, then this is the product you've been searching for. Let's delve into what makes this Skull Muffin Pan a must-have for any baking enthusiast. First off, let's talk about the material. Crafted from 100% food-grade silicone, this muffin pan ensures that your baked goods are not only safe to eat but also easy to release from the mold. Plus, it's BPA-free and eco-friendly, so you can bake with peace of mind. What sets this Skull Muffin Pan apart is its versatility. Whether you're whipping up some spooky treats for Halloween or surprising your friends with a unique birthday cake, this pan has got you covered. From muffins and cakes to bread and pudding, the possibilities are endless. Using this Skull Muffin Pan is a breeze. Simply pour your favorite batter into the mold, pop it in the oven, and watch as perfectly shaped skull muffins emerge. And thanks to its durable silicone construction, you can expect clear details every time you bake. But wait, there's more. This muffin pan is not only oven-safe but also freezer, microwave, and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, with its temperature range from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, you can bake with confidence, knowing that this pan can handle it all. That's right, if you're not 100% satisfied with your purchase, the folks at JETKONG have got you covered with their top-notch customer service. So, if you're ready to take your baking game to the next level and impress your friends and family with some spooktacular treats, then be sure to grab your very own JETKONG Skull Cake Pan Silicone Skull Cakelet Mold Skull Pirate Cake Tin Baking Pan today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, happy baking!